Nagar, and I am with you with the specific area of accounting and financial management for bankers. Acha, today I have come up with a very simple area. We're talking about mix of questions specifically from module B or module A overall. So I think we are going to have a good variety of questions today, but the easier ones. So I hope you'll be able to deal with them in an easier way. If you face any problems, then go ahead and write in the comment section. I'm always reading it. Okay, so you can actually check it out on our courses, but we are coming up with more and more things. So if you're planning, then please do not wait at all, as our courses are currently available at 80% discount. The discounts would be ending soon, so it's way better. If you're planning to purchase our courses, then you should definitely check out our website. That is, here it is, everyone. If you go on to our website, that is www.adda247.com. Go on to the specific area of JAIIB May 2024. As you can see, our crash course 2.0, bilingual English medium and AFM. All these batches are already here, and JAIIB Mahapack is also available for you. All you need to do is click on the area of buy now, use the code Y541 and apply it. Okay, as soon as you'll use the code Y541 na, in this Mahapack you include all these numerical batches, our complete batches, and even the previous comprehensive batches. All those batches are all included in this. Even the Mahapack also includes our mini marathon and Maha marathon. So if you are planning, then you should definitely check it out on our website and our app. If you'll go through app, it will cost you around 6,000 something, 5,999 rather. And if you are planning to go for the website, it would cost you 6,298. So choose wisely, everyone. Get the app on your phone and get it done as early as possible. Okay, everyone, let's take it up. Just a moment. Done. Chaliye then, let's talk about, we are talking about some basic questions, right? Today is going to be an easier class, so I hope you'll be able to answer all of them. Banking definition is given under what? It is given under the Banking Regulation Act, 1949 RBI Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, or Regional Rural Bank Act. What's going to be the answer, everyone? When we talk about banking definition, a banking definition says it's an organization which can accept deposits and provide loans, isn't it? That's the entire scenario regarding it. Na? So in this case, the answer is Banking Regulation Act 1949, also known as BR. It is actually BR Act 1949. In 1949, Banking Regulation Act came. In 1949, ICA was formed. In 1949, multiple things happened. So it was an important year for sure. Acha, next question, everyone. Which of the following is or are types of petty cash book? What do you mean by the term petty cash book, everyone? What do you mean by the term petty cash book? Simple or columnar petty cash book? It is only one, two, one and two, either one or two or both. See, when we talk about these points now, we are actually talking about one basic thing, that is petty cash book means minor expenses, not major. It talks about the minor expenses that we are having in the business. So when we talk about those minor expenses, they can be covered here. While defining those petty cash book is actually of two types. It is actually of simple petty cash book and columnar. Columnar petty cash book is also known as analytical petty cash book. Under analytical petty cash book, now we studied from the point of view of analyzing the specific area altogether. Okay, specific area altogether, that means what is the particular petty cash expenses that we are doing, which is major and which is minor. You know, we're looking forward to that specific area. So when we are talking about this specific area of what is major, what is minor, and we're looking at the growth of the same as well, then we have a specific debate, है ना, कि what is happening with the specific expenses. Are we going overboard? Are we having lesser expenses? Are we going absolutely fine, or we are having a problem, right? So in this case, what's going to be the correct answer? The correct answer is both of these are formats which are to be considered, both 1 and 2. Prepaid expenses and outstanding expenses are taken into account by firm on the basis of the following concept: money measurement, accrual, cost concept, or dual concept. What do you mean by prepaid, everyone? If I have to define the prepaid means the money that I've paid in advance and it belongs to a specific year. है ना? It belongs to a specific year altogether. And that is why which is still unpaid. If there's something which is unpaid, would be considered here. So in this case, can I say that it is money measurement concept, accrual basis of accounting, cost concept, or dual aspect accounting? Dual aspect and all, it is accrual. Accrual means anything which is something which is not due yet we still note it down. Done. Next question, everyone. Generally accepted accounting principles is regulated by Final Accounting Standard Board, Governmental Accounting Standard Board, 1 or 2, FASB or GSB. वैसे both of these are gone now. If I talk about these, मतलब it was earlier ASB and then it was later on converted into the specific area of it was converted into NFRA, National Financial Reporting Standards. Now that particular area takes care of the entire that specific area when we talk about it. Just a moment. Hanji. See, everybody, when we talk about GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, these are those principles which are accepted throughout the world for the usage, of course. We're talking about the accounting standards which we want in the books of accounts altogether. FASB, number 1. Then Governmental Accounting Standard Board, that is GSB, or only 1, only 2, 1 and 2, or 1 and 2 both. When we talk about GFAS, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, these are basically prepared by both. When we talk about our exclusive accounting standards, they are prepared under NFRA. Under the consideration of the international and national levels again, because we don't want major differences in the outside India and in India in terms of your accounting experience. Why? Done. Next question, everyone. If a company issues bonus shares of at 2:1, the debt equity ratio will be. According to you, what's going to be the answer? If the debt equity ratio of the organization is 2:1, वैसे तो ideal ratio is actually 2:1, and they say the bonus shares are being issued. Bonus shares are issued in the ratio of 2:1. Debt equity, I think in this case, bonus shares are given absolutely free. Is there any movement of money? It remains unaffected, will go up in the same ratio of the issue of bonus to the original holding, will improve the same ratio of the issue of the bonus to the original holding, or will be lowered. In this case, there's one thing that is clear. It will remain unaffected. only the number of shareholders is affected. The total capital remained the same. When we talk about this specific area, number of shareholders is affected. The total capital remains the same. That means if it was 10 lakh, it will remain as 10 lakh. If it was 20, it will remain as 20. Everyone, if you haven't downloaded our app, then please do not wait at all. Download our app right away. Get this particular beautiful benefit that you are getting in terms of your preparation. When we talk about this, extra material is available. If you take up our courses, then the entire courses are available for you. Then when we talk about the specific topic clarity and all, we're always there for you. So then it's a good app, one-stop shop for the examination, not only for banking but also in there of other fields as well. In the banking area, you can see CIIB, JAIIB, and bank promotion papers and all are all included. Keeping in mind that you are giving multiple examinations and you are planning further as well. Share capital of the company consists of 5 lakh shares of 10 rupees each, 8 called up. This is one question specifically of shares which remain there. 5 lakh shares and it says 8 called up. So in this case, what are we going to do? We have till now called only 8 rupees. We haven't called them to pay the entire amount. So in this case, they say that this, all the shareholders have duly paid the amount. Share capital will be shown as subscribed and fully paid, subscribed but not fully paid, any of the above or none of the above. What's going to be the answer? When we define this specific area, share capital of the company consists of 5 lakh shares. We have till now called up 8 rupees and the company, the shareholders have paid this much amount. So share capital is known as subscribed and fully paid up, subscribed and not fully paid up, any of the above. See, the people are yet to pay. If we haven't called the money entirely, they were supposed to pay total 10 rupees, but we till now have called hardly 8 rupees. That means the remaining is still yet payable. So in this case, can I say this is subscribed but not fully paid? If he paid for the entire sofa, matlab entire share capital in this case, I'm sorry. So in this case, that's going to be the answer. Done? Chaliye, moving on to the next question. Current ratio is given, quick ratio is given, current liabilities are also given, and they are asking you to calculate inventory. Do you know how do you calculate quick ratio? And how to calculate current ratio? Traditional method, everyone. Okay, we have current ratio. CR is 2:1. That means if I write 2:1, my current assets are unknown to me, but my current liabilities of 1,60,000. So can I say my current asset is equal to total 3,20,000? And 16 to the 32. Now comes the second point, everyone. In this case, the current liabilities are of 1,60,000 and this is current assets. Now the question says amount of value of inventory. That means quick assets divided by current liabilities is equal to 1,60,000. In this specific area, what is it? Quick ratio is 1.5. Ease and current loss, and then this 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 60,000, na? 1 lakh 60,000 giving worth. है ना? So in this case, the CL will again vary. It is 1 lakh 60 here. 1 lakh 60 is the current liabilities now. So look at this. 1 lakh 60 is what you have in current liabilities. That is, quick assets are not known to us divided by 1 lakh 60,000. So 1 lakh 60 into 1.5. 1 lakh 60 into 1.5, giving me a total value of quick assets is equal to 2 lakh 40. And since the current assets and the quick assets both are known, then your difference in current and fixed assets, or in this specific area, is that under quick assets we do not include two things. Number one, we do not include inventory, and we do not include any prepaid expenses, because in both the areas there is no movement of any kind of production is not being made. Anything of production is not there. So in this case, the correct answer will be quick assets divided by 1 lakh 60. Sorry, 2 lakh 40. Then in this case, the answer is 80,000. Just give a tap to it, do the question slowly, and you will definitely make it, everyone. The answer is B actually. Done. Chaliye, next question. Which one of the following is not incorrect regarding the employee stock option scheme? ESOS. Guidelines are issued by SBI. Employees have to apply for shares at predetermined rate, or ESOS is a right but no obligation to himself, and then right and can be expressed at any time by any employee. That is also true. But what is ESOS? Employee stock option plan. In that case, the employee stock option plans usually puts the specific money into equity or debt market directly. They become the intermediary. So if not conveyed properly, then it can get a trouble. When we talk about ESOS there, the very first thing that can, in this case, what's going to be the answer? Which one of the following is incorrect? ESOS is basically given to those employees who are really helpful. Everyone, when we talk about ESOS, we are giving extra shares to the people who have worked hard in the organization. For the hardworking people, they introduced this specific style so that you can actually look forward towards your working in the organization with much ease. So in this case, what's going to be the answer? The right to can be exercised at any time as an offense. When we talk about this specific area, right to be exercised, these people can exercise any kind of right over anything. That's something that we learn from these entire areas. Chaliye, let's end the session here itself. But before I end my session with you, I hope we are going good. We have done a lot of questions today. But for this, what you need to do is click on the area of image. Sorry, in this specific area, go on to our website, that is www.adda247.com. In this case, when you talk about our website, can you see this, everyone? Okay, so when we talk about this specific area, this is a right now, not an obligation. Depreciation is more with the method during the first and second year. Straight line method. Depreciation is more by which depreciation cannot be more than the wages. Then when we talk about depreciation is more in the beginning, is double declining method. Instead of SLM and WDV, it is WM. Done. In this case, the answer is double declining method. So if you're planning, then hurry up and check it out on our website and our app for further details, everyone, before the time is ticking away. Okay, for that what you need to do is, please everyone, check out our courses right away. The time is ticking away. It's better that if you're planning, then you get it right away. And at that too 5999. That means you're getting double validity, 1 year validity plus this particular area. So it's cool enough thought process to take up these courses, as these are helpful in clearing the examinations altogether. Okay? Everyone, if you're planning, then just use the code 5541 and get it done right away. Thank you so much for being there. We'll be meeting in the next class. Bye bye.